Hi friends, hello viewers. Good morning. Once again, welcome back to Teresa Josephine channel. This is Josephine here as usual. Always I bring some new recipes to you all and remedies to you all. And today I brought a recipe of remedy, and this the seasonal changes are happening. So nowadays, kids, especially those who have a kids, they understands the situations also. According to that, I just plan to shoot today homemade remedy for the cold, cough, and the common fever. Within the 3 days, it will be reducing. How to consume also, I'll be sharing with you, and what all the beneficials are there, I'll be sharing with you. First, about how to consume this. After making this remedy, you have to consume every 1 hour once. This is with this tablespoon 2 spoon, that is you can take a 10 ml or else the 50 ml also you can take it, that is age wise. And for the kids you can give at least 10 ml. 10 ml you can give it every 1 hour once, you can give it. Instead of I will share what are the ingredients I have added also. So we can have it within the 3 days. I'm damn sure for the common cold, cough, everything it will be reduced. So let's see quick how to prepare these all things. And I've added the haldi, these all things. We'll be getting the haldi, wet haldi, that is a fresh haldi, turmeric, that one also we can add it according to the seasonal we'll be getting. And instead of jaggery we can have that palm sugar also. For sugar patient also you can have it. If you have anybody at home a sugar patient, you can have it, palm sugar. And sugar also you can add it, but more than sugar, palm sugar, jaggery, and the sugar and palm sugar is very good for the health. So like this kind of remedy you can make at home, and you can give for the kids and for the elders, and those who have the sinus issues also, they can also have it also. Early in the morning, empty stomach also you can have it, no issues. After food also you can consume, but the only thing is you can remember, you have to remember that at least for the half an hour you should not drink the water minimum. After 1 hour or half an hour you can consume your water, normal lukewarm water or else whatever water you can consume. Then the Redemi will be working super fast. Believe it friends, make at home and avoid the common medicines for kids and the elders. This kinds of remedy will protect you soon, and it is a good for the health also. Let's see quickly how the preparation, what are the ingredients are required. I want to share with you. Please support me by sharing, commenting, liking, and subscribe my channel. If you're watching the first time, please subscribe my channel, and please share with your friends also, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be getting the new videos updations. Thanks. Let's see our ingredients, all that quick fast. Let's start our homemade remedy for cold, cough, and common fever. Within 3 days it will be reduced. Let's start this recipe. What are the ingredients it's required? Let's see first. It's a black pepper crushed one, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. This is a 2 lavang crushed, and 2 green cardamom, choti elaichi crushed, and one bunch of tulsi leaves, that's a brazil leaf with the stems. We should not separate it. In that only more juice will be there. And jaggery as per the taste. And this is a dry ginger, 1 tablespoon. And this one is a dhania seed, coriander seed. We have to crush, 1 teaspoon we have to take. This is the ingredients, and let's see the quick process how to do. So let's start. Take a vessel like this on the stove and take 2 glasses of water, cold water. Let it be heat. In this all the masalas will be adding. We'll take total in ml, 6 ml of water will take, and in that 600 ml of water we have to make 300 ml of kada. We have to make it. That is, let's add all the ingredients. It's very simple and quick. It will be finishing. As I told earlier, what are the beneficials are there. So let's add the tulsi leaf. Let's add the elaichi and this lavanga. Black pepper. And already I have crushed and I kept this dhania powder, 1 tablespoon. And ginger powder, turmeric powder, jaggery. Let it boil well. Jaggery, let's add. Let's add and let's boil all these ingredients well. It should boil and so friends, now it has boiled our kada or our kasayam home remedy. It has done nicely. It has boiled. So now we can filter and we can have it for our kids. Let's see. I'll show to you. See, nicely it has boiled. You can see the flavor already. It has released all the flavor. All the ingredients flavor has been come, and the color also has been changed. You can see. So let's see after filtering how our kada, how our kasayam is there to consume. I'll show to you. Take a filter and filter it. Okay, any small filter, tea filter. So now in this stage we have to switch off and let's take in one vessel. Okay. Before that, I want to share to you all, if you are watching first time my remedy or else my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the more details. All you'll be getting the updates of my new videos. Like, share it also. Let's see how to consume. Friends, our homemade kada or else our homemade remedy is prepared, done, and our presentation, that depends upon our presentation, friends. How you serve for your kids. You can serve your kids in this like this cups also, and you can serve in this like this small bowl also. After filtering our remedy looks like this, so it's very yum. It will be kids also loves so much, friends. So let's see how to consume also. This is very super and yum, and it is very good for the health. This is done. So as usual, I have explained at the beginning how to consume also. You can follow, and please make this is the remedy instead of simple cold, like normally we get seasonal changes cold, seasonal changes fever, cough, everything you can make at home, and you can give for your kids to consume. Not only for kids, for elders also it's very good. And please share this remedy if you like, and it is very useful. I believe it. You will be sharing also to your friends and to your relatives and to your those who need it also. So you can share it, and please like my video, subscribe my channel, and comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching once again my channel. Meanwhile, we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.